Sure. Here's a 500-word YouTube-style article, script format, on the SPYDER air defense missile system by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, tailored to both a global and Filipino audience. It combines technical insights and local relevance, ideal for voiceover or on-screen narration. Gitling gitling gitling. Intro 12:00. Background music playing. Welcome back to the channel, mga kabayan and defense enthusiasts around the world. Today, we're diving into one of the world's most capable short and medium-range air defense systems, the SPYDER missile system by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems of Israel. Let's break it down globally and locally. Tara, simulan na natin. Gitling gitling gitling. Part 1. What is SPYDER? 12:20. Footage of SPYDER launchers in desert drills. The SPYDER, short for Surface-to-Air Python and Derby, is an advanced, quick-reaction missile system designed to intercept aircraft, helicopters, drones, and even precision-guided munitions. Developed by Rafael, in cooperation with Israel Aerospace Industries, the system uses two of Israel's proven air-to-air missiles, the Python 5 and iDerby. It comes in two versions, the SPYDER Senior, short range, and SPYDER Mister, medium range, with effective engagement distances up to 50 kilometers and altitudes of 20 kilometers. Both systems can launch within seconds and track multiple targets simultaneously, 24/7. Gitling gitling gitling. Part 2. Technology behind the system. Alauna Gs. Radar tracking animation. Dagdag missile launch slow motion. SPYDER secret weapon. It's LM2106 radar, which can track dozens of airborne threats simultaneously. Once a target is locked, missiles are launched vertically, making it perfect for urban and mountainous environments, like many regions in the Philippines. The Python 5 uses an infrared homing system, while the Derby is active radar-guided, giving SPYDER a dual-layer defense that's hard to jam or avoid. Plus, it's fully mobile, deployable on trucks, ready to fire on the move, and requires just a small crew. Gitling gitling gitling. Part 3. SPYDER in the Philippines. 2:00. Footage of Philippine Army exercises, news clips. Now let's talk local. In 2021, the Philippines signed a deal with Israel for SPYDER air defense systems, as part of the AFP modernization program. Why? Because we need a credible shield against aerial threats, especially with growing tensions in the West Philippine Sea and increasing drone incursions. The systems were delivered in 2023 hanggang 2024, and are now in service with the Philippine Air Force's 960th Air and Missile Defense Group. They're stationed at key locations to protect strategic assets, military bases, and urban centers. Gitling gitling gitling. Part 4. Why it matters. 3:00. Globe animation with regional hotspots. In a region with rising military competition, systems like SPYDER serve as both a shield and a message. Don't even think about it. It's cost-effective, fast to deploy, and adds serious punch to a country's layered air defense. Para sa Pilipinas, it's not just about buying missiles. It's about building self-reliance, training our troops on modern tech, and protecting our people. Gitling gitling gitling. Outro. 3:40. So there you have it, the Rafael SPYDER system, a compact, mobile, and powerful guardian of the skies. For Israel, it's innovation. For the Philippines, it's sovereignty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on global and Filipino defense. Hanggang sa muli, mga kabayan. Maging alerto, maging matatag. Stay safe, and stay informed. And music fades. Gitling gitling gitling. Would you like me to turn this into subtitles or a video storyboard too?